तुमचे माहिती आसा पळय तुमी रांदता रांदता खंय पावलो कितें जालें नेमकें कित्याक उरलां
Say market issue, then result the badal Girish Babu San. Market issue is the issue which from day one I want to resolve this matter. But market issue, Angakina Lazan खूप meeting घेतली with the owner of the parish for the church, Saint Thomas Church, with the owner of the property. त्यांच्यानी लिस्ट केला पंचायतीक and आमचे also lot of shop owners आसा. ते building and प्रत्येक and press conference घेतले आसा. That building is in a very delicate condition. And not only that, there is a certificate from the engineering Farmagudi that it cannot, it's beyond repairs. They repair kopak zayna. So then amcho honorable ex-CM Manor Bhaiya Parikar allo. Then maka तीन party यहाँ होते जो फटना असलो. साले तने पासुन मका विचारले अरे ग्लैंड बाप तू केना repair करते. But आंचे सुधार कोpak zayna. There should be a clear-cut understanding between the Fabrica Church, the Panchayat, and the owners and the shop owners. So we are working on that. It's not easy. म्हाका ते घालपाक कित्याक फाल्यां तो बिल्डींग हेच्या वखदार पडोवंक शकता सो हांवें ताका समजून करून आय इवन कॉल ऑल द शॉप ओनर एंड टोल्ड देम वीच एवर आर द ओरिजिनल अलॉट इज ती कितें जालें आय थिंक लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्युजन इज देर हांव तातूंत वचना आय एम नॉट गेटिंग टू ऑल दॅट बट आय एम ट्रायंग माय लेवल बेस्ट टू रिजॉल्व दॅट मॅटर बट फॉर दॅट यू दे हॅव टू फर्स्ट कम विथ अ क्लियर कट document between the Fabrica, Panchayat and the shop owners. And then the financial part, whatever I can take care of the government, my Honorable Chief Minister will definitely adhere to my request and we will get it sorted. But what is important, it has to be on work footing. Because the building cannot be repaired. Other fadle thode amche Panchayat member, Panchayat member fode solle repair kortele म्हणून. You cannot repair the building. Bailan bishta taka facial end you cannot because the bitole sogle column sogle यहाँ zale. It's totally in a very bad deliberate condition as a certificate by the engineering college of Farmagudi. Yeah. So I'm making all efforts. I want the cooperation from all the three from the Fabrica, from the Panchayat as well as from the people, and I will resolve that matter.
Then what about that shifting of the office? Do you want to see feedback from?
Yeah, in fact, I spoke to the minister and he said he will as of now he won't take that initiative. I confirm on same day they suppose when my letter went. Maka government आयले तेन्ना ते शिफ्ट करता immediately and I spoke to the honorable minister Philip and also to Philip Rodriguez and also I spoke to the engineer Tari no to yeah I spoke to E and I told him this cannot happen and then immediately again the next day I spoke and he said no Glenn we will keep it in abeyance we won't shift it as of now.
Letter has been issued.
That I don't know but they have not shifted it as of now. And I have requested not to do it also. I know pandemic is there. There is a small place, but you all maintain your SOPs. Keep a distance, and because it will be very convenient for the people of it will a great cause of inconvenience for the people from the Bandesh Taluka, which are coming there with the issues.
आम्ही जवळ पडल्यार कॅश दिता कितले पडटा लाख पडटा 2 पडटा 3 पडटा आमी दिता पळय आमच्या मध्ये भाड्यान आशिल्लें ते बरे भशेन घेवचें गरजेन आनी ग्रामचे बरे भशेन दिवन
पूण आतां एक कित्या खातीर पेंडींग उरला ते कित्याक जायना
ती आमकां ही गरजे ना पण दिता ग्रामजात म्हणजे सगळें जायना सारकें हे कोवीड लागले ते म्हणजे
पूण आतां हे बिल्डींग पळय जाल्यार सामकी डेंजर आहा तुमी हांगा तरी आसतना तुमी हांगा डेली शॉपार येता तुमकां रिस्क दिसना
दिसता दिसाना कशी दिसता
बेगीन जावपाक जाय कशें
जावपूच जाय बेगीन जाय ताका येते बेगीन जावपूच जाय
कित्याक ते हेंच्यांनी तो इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजचो रिपोर्ट सुद्दां आहा की सारकी पिड्यार जालो म्हणून तरी आसतना तो हे करिना म्हणटकूच
हांवें सल्लो वचूंक लागलो
आतां कितले जाणां शॉपकार हांगा सगळे 25 आनी बसवे ती कितली आहा
ती म्हाका 25